45 degrees base, and altitude 3000 feet, running 9 whiskey.
36 Charlie, Lima, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1009, 28 miles to run.
Altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1009, Jersey 6 Charlie Lima,
Swiss 31 Victor, fly heading 350 degrees.
Heading 350, Manchester Airport, 1318, descending flight level 90, information whiskey, Airbus 319er.
Air Portugal 1318, Manchester, Whiskey Carol Vector, Alice approach, runway 23 right. Leave Mersey heading 085 degrees.
Is Mersey heading 085, copy that runway Air Portugal 1318.
Running 9 Whiskey right heading 200 degrees, cleared Alice approach, runway 23 right.
Starting 200 degrees.
70.
Transfer level 70, Air Portugal 1318.
Swiss 31 Victor, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1009, about 33 miles to run.
5,000 feet, 100,
Easy 39 Golf Echo, Tower 118.630.
118.630, 39 Golf Echo.
We QC left to takeoff with 170 degrees.
Good takeoff, 2 left, Jersey, 7 Golf. Bravo, Juliet Golf, behind the 777-200, Jersey, 8 Echo Kilo. Hold short of 3 right, contact now, 108. Training 115, center altitude 3000 feet, 56 Charlie Lima. Titan 702, approaching holding point Delta 1, hold short 23 right.
702 right, Delta 1, runway 23 right.
Delta 1, cross 23 right, Pakistan 702.
And a point 2 to left, tank water, and a 6 Charlie.
Approach running 9 Whiskey, we also established at 10 miles.
Running 9 Whiskey.
18630, running 9 Whiskey, going.
702, taxi 2 Tango 1.
Taxi 2 Tango 1, Pakistan 702. Good day, running 9 Whiskey, Island 2 right, 8.5 miles.
And 9 Whiskey, hello, continue approach 23 right, with 150 at 3 knots.
Approach running 9 Whiskey.
All stations Manchester, welcome, QNH 1008, leave QNH 1008, Manchester right. Sound 702, leave QNH 1008.
1008, copy, Pakistan 702.
Sound 702, contact tower 119.405, goodbye.
119.405, goodbye, Pakistan 702.
39 Golf Echo, QNH 1008, 23 right, clear to land, with 150 3 knots.
1008 set and clear land 23 right, easy 39 Golf Echo.
And then I would QNH 1008.
QNH 1008, running 9 Whiskey.
Minus 6 Echo Charlie, QNH 1008.
1008, clear, 66 Charlie, thank you.
Just waiting for traffic down at Liverpool to turn base.
Yeah, no problem.
Later vehicle, 60. And altitude 5,000, Canadian 1008, Airport 1318.
Swiss 31 Victor, descent to altitude 3,500 feet, QNH 1008. 3,500 feet, 1008. Kingdom 03, QNH is 1008, basic 0.
Minus 6 Echo Charlie, Q3 left to takeoff with 170 degrees.
For left, take a right. Good Charlie.
Sound 702, right angle 1, right heading 60.
takeoff 23 left, Pakistan 702.
Tower, hello, KLM 1080 is approaching 65. KLM 1080 Victor Alpha 1 to hold, KLM 1080.